So this is one of the examples I wanted to get into on flower room shifting. So I ran 3 scenarios just to show how, adjusting your flower room photo periods can really help with demand management. So in this scenario, we're assuming we've got a cultivation facility with six flower rooms. In each one of those flower rooms, we've got 52 649 watt LED grow lights. So you can see scenario 1, that's where every single grow room is starting on right at 8 o'clock and ending right at 8 o'clock. So really high demand usage there. And you can see scenario 2, what I did is I staggered every flower room to turn on every 4 hours. So different than doing like a, 3 on, 3 off. I just wanted to see how that would really affect demand. And you can see really good savings there. The third scenario I ran is just having all of the flower rooms off during those peak hours. So you can see that all of the flower rooms will be on at some point in the nighttime hours. So you will have to run, graveyard crew, but avoiding those high peak demand costs might outweigh the savings for some cultivators. It really just depends on how the economics work out for each cultivator.